Before buying a makeup bag, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it.
Product number 1, Aruza Clear Makeup Bag. The Aruza Clear Makeup Bag, priced at just $9.99. What caught my attention is its TSE-approved design, making it perfect for travel. If you want a hassle-free airport experience, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Aruza bag is made from clear PVC, so you can easily see everything inside, helping you find what you need without rummaging. It meets TSA's 311 regulations, meaning no more stress at security checks. It comes in 3 sizes, ideal for different needs, whether it's a full-size bottle or your compact makeup essentials. Over 8,000 people have bought this recently, showing it's a popular choice. Now, some people complained about the bag feeling a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, consider its price point. At under $10, it's a budget-friendly option that offers convenience for occasional travelers. If you're a frequent flyer looking for something more durable, this might not be your best bet. This is perfect for you if you travel occasionally or need a simple organizer for your personal items. Skip this one if you're looking for something heavy-duty. For the price, it offers great value and functionality. Now, if the Aruza's durability bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a sturdier design.
Product number 2, Ichi Travel Makeup Bag. The Ichi Travel Makeup Bag, priced at $23.99. This caught my eye with its spacious capacity and waterproof materials. If you want to keep everything organized while looking stylish, this is definitely worth considering. The Ichi bag is designed to open flat, giving you full visibility of your items without digging around. Its dimensions of 9.3 by 4.1 by 4.3 inches mean it can hold full-size skincare products and makeup essentials. The waterproof TPU brush compartment is perfect for keeping your brushes safe, while the water-resistant exterior makes it easy to clean. This bag has seen over 6,000 purchases recently, which speaks volumes about its popularity. Now, I should mention that the polyester lining isn't waterproof, which some users pointed out. Here's the thing though, if you're careful with your liquids, this isn't a huge issue. It still provides excellent organization for your makeup and toiletries without feeling overly bulky. This is ideal for travelers who also prioritize style and organization. Skip this if you're looking for a compact solution, since it's on the larger side. Overall, it's a solid investment for the price, especially for those who want a fashionable way to stay organized. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something more compact. Product number 3, O'Sheel Makeup Bag, priced at $11.39. What really drew me in was its portable design and separate compartments for brushes. If you're serious about keeping your brushes clean and organized, this one's worth a look. This bag features a separate compartment specifically for brushes, which is a game changer for makeup lovers. Measuring 9.4 by 6.5 by 4.7 inches, it's spacious enough to fit all your essentials while still being lightweight. The vegan leather material is not only stylish but also water resistant, ensuring your products stay safe. Plus, it's received over 5,000 purchases, indicating it's popular among users. Some users mention the Velcro dividers being a bit tricky to adjust. Here's the thing though, if you're someone who likes to customize your space, this feature can actually be beneficial. It's all about how you want to store your items, and the flexibility can be a big plus. This is perfect for anyone who loves makeup and wants to keep their products organized and protected. Skip this if you prefer something with a more rigid structure. For the price, it's a great choice that balances functionality and style. Now, if you want something even easier to carry, the next makeup bag is designed with that in mind. Product number 4, Quiboom Travel Makeup Bag, priced at just $5.98. I was surprised by the amazing value for such a low price. If you're looking for an affordable option that still does the job, this one's definitely worth checking out. The Quiboom bag features a large capacity with multiple compartments, making it perfect for storing all your cosmetics and skincare products. The nylon fabric is soft and durable, while the waterproof lining keeps everything safe. Plus, it's lightweight, which is a must when traveling. Over 4,000 people have bought this bag recently, showing it's a popular choice among budget-conscious shoppers. However, a few users have mentioned that it feels a bit flimsy. Here's the thing. It's true that this bag might not withstand rough handling, so if you're someone who tends to toss your bags around, it might not be ideal. But for casual use, it offers fantastic value. This is perfect for anyone on a budget who needs a reliable travel bag. Skip this if you're looking for something super durable. For under $6, it's hard to beat this deal. Alright, that was a great budget option, but if you want something a bit more stylish and functional, the last bag on our list will impress you.
Product number 5, Bag Smart Makeup Bag. Let's talk about the Bag Smart Makeup Bag, priced at $8.98. I was genuinely impressed with its spacious design and easy access features. If you want something that combines elegance with practicality, this is definitely worth considering. The Bag Smart bag has a wide opening that allows you to see everything inside at a glance, saving you time when you're getting ready. With dimensions of 9 by 4.5 by 5.8 inches, it offers ample space for all your beauty essentials. The PVC-lined pockets keep your brushes and smaller items organized and clean. This bag has been purchased over 3,000 times recently, indicating its trust among users. Some users mentioned that it might not be big enough for those with a lot of products. Here's the thing though, if you're someone who likes to keep your essentials minimal, this bag is perfect. It's all about finding what works for you. This is ideal for anyone who values both style and organization. Skip this if you carry a ton of products daily, as it may not meet your needs. For its price point, it's an excellent investment for a chic and functional makeup bag.
So there you have it. We've covered the Auroriza Clear Makeup Bag for travel simplicity, the Ichi Travel Makeup Bag for style and organization, the Okil Makeup Bag for brush lovers, the Quiboom Travel Makeup Bag for budget-friendly needs, and the Bag Smart Makeup Bag for those who value elegance. Each one has unique features that cater to different needs, so pick the one that fits you best.